Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your editor and deployment use UTF-8 and that emoji input is enabled. Next, decide how you'll implement emoji, direct Unicode, HTML entities, or images, because each method affects rendering and size. Once decided, create a small test file with a few code points and preview in target browsers and apps. This validates fonts and fallback. Also check accessibility labels, now so screen readers can announce meaning correctly. You now implement the chosen strategy. If you use Unicode, insert U+1 F600 or paste the glyph and verify it survives encoding conversions. This keeps files small and searchable. If you must use HTML, encode as &X1 F600 or decimal &128,512 to prevent corruption. For CMSs and chats, add shortcodes like grinning, map to code points, and include alt text attributes so assistive tech conveys intent. You finish by conducting thorough tests. Check appearance on iOS, Android, Windows, Mac OS, and various browsers to confirm consistency. Once done, implement fallbacks, SVG or PNG sprites, for critical icons where fonts lack glyphs and serve them conditionally. If something breaks, inspect file encoding, content type, and charset headers and font fallback chains. These are common culprits. Finally, document your emoji mapping and include accessibility labels, so future edits preserve meaning and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.